Have you ever felt that weird mix of guilt and shame after scrolling late at night, only to realize you just spent an hour on something that didn't even make you feel better afterward? Yeah, that. I'm talking about masturbation. And I know everyone says it's normal and healthy, but here's the kicker. If you're doing it too often, it can quietly drain your energy, mess with your motivation, and actually make it harder to crush your goals. And if you want to level up before 2026, now is the moment to take control. Think about your typical day. School, work, or content creation, stress stacking up. You have deadlines, assignments, ideas you want to create. But instead of grinding, you're stuck in loops of scrolling, distraction, and those instant dopamine hits. That energy leak, it's real, subtle, but powerful. Over time, it chips away at your focus, your confidence, and even your social life. And the worst part, you don't even notice until months go by. Here's the first step: awareness. Most people don't even notice how often they do it or why. Keep a mental log for a few days. When do the urges hit? Is it stress, boredom, social media spirals? Maybe it's late at night when your brain is exhausted and cravings hit hardest. Just noticing the pattern is huge. It's like flipping on a light in a dark room. You can't fix what you don't see. Step 2. Understand why it affects you. Masturbation itself isn't evil, but overdoing it floods your brain with dopamine repeatedly, making everyday things feel boring. Your motivation drops, energy dips, and suddenly even small tasks feel like climbing a mountain. That's why it's so hard to stick to a routine or consistently create content. Understanding this makes it easier to take action, because now you're not just guessing, you know what's happening in your brain. Step 3. Replace the habit. Don't just try to stop, replace it with something better. When the urge hits, redirect immediately. Text a friend, go for a walk, do push-ups, play a game that actually challenges your brain. Even a small action like drinking a glass of water or standing up and stretching can interrupt the loop. Every time you resist, your brain rewires itself for control and energy. You'll feel small victories stacking up, and trust me, that feeling is addictive, but in a good way. Now here's a trick most people miss. Create friction. Make it harder for your brain to give in. Delete apps that tempt you. Keep your phone out of reach at night. Install blockers if you need them. Make the habit inconvenient. If it's harder to do, your willpower gets a fighting chance. Every small success here isn't just about control. It's a confidence boost that spills into everything else. Step 4. Mindset. Stop seeing slip-ups as failures. You're human. Instead, treat them like data. Every time you give in, ask yourself, what triggered me? Boredom? Stress? Loneliness? Write it down. Over time, patterns emerge, and that's how you actually grow. No guilt, just awareness. Step 5. Channel the energy. All that energy you've been putting into instant gratification, redirect it into something meaningful. Exercise, learn a skill, create content, go outside. Even meditating for 5-10 minutes resets your brain. Within weeks, you'll notice sharper focus, more motivation, and a new level of consistency. It's wild how much better life feels when your energy isn't leaking. Here's a bonus. Build a support system. Tell a friend about your goal, or join a community of people trying to improve themselves. Having someone to hold you accountable, even lightly, skyrockets your chances of success. Humans are wired for connection, and sharing your journey makes it easier, not harder. Step 6. Small rewards. Don't just deny yourself. Reward yourself for progress. If you make it a week, treat yourself to something you love that actually nourishes you. Small wins keep you motivated, keep your dopamine healthy, and make the habit sustainable. And finally, be patient. This isn't a one-night miracle. You're rewiring your brain and building self-control. That takes time. But every step you take is compounding. Every day you succeed is another day closer to 2026, feeling like a whole new level of you. So here's the deal. Don't wait for motivation to magically appear. Start tonight. Track your triggers. Replace urges with action. Create friction. Redirect energy. Build a support system. Reward yourself. Be consistent, even when it's hard. Every day you do this, you're leveling up, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Stop letting a habit quietly drain your potential. Take control. Let's level up together. Thank yourself when 2026 hits. You're already operating at a level most people only dream about. Start now, tomorrow, night.